Let's learn some opposite words today. Are you ready? Let's go. 1. Big, small. This is big, and this is small. The elephant is big, the mouse is small. 2. Fast, slow. The car goes fast, the turtle goes slow. One goes zoom, the other says, no! 3. Hot, cold. Hot like tea, cold like ice. They feel different, and that's so nice. 4. Up, down. The balloon goes up, the ball goes down, up to the sky, down to the ground. 5. Happy, sad. When I smile, I'm happy. When I frown, I'm sad. Let's stay happy and never feel bad. 6. Open, close. Open the box. What do you see? Close it again. Count. 1, 2, 3. 7th day. Night. The sun says day. The moon says night. One is warm. The other's bright. 8. Clean, dirty. Clean hands shine. Dirty hands stick. Wash them up and do it quick. 9. Tall, short. The giraffe is tall. The kitten is short. Both are cute and fun to sort. 10. In, out. The puppy jumps in. The puppy jumps out. In and out. It runs about. Great job, friends. You learned so many opposites today. Big and small, fast and slow. Keep learning and keep smiling. See you next time.